Hey guys, it's me Melody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to save a failed perm rod set.
ORS gifted me a couple of their products from their Curls Unleashed line that I figured I'd give a try on today's tutorial. The first product I'm going in with is their Curls Unleashed Leave-In Conditioning Cream, which is really good. My hair is freshly washed and it just adds a little bit of extra moisture to my hair. The next product I'm going in with is the Curl Defining Cream, which I really liked. And these two products together worked really well. You can see how moisturized my hair is just from putting these two products here on freshly washed hair. Now I'm just going to part my hair to get ready to start putting the perm rods in. And the last product that I'm going to be using that from the ORS line is their Curl Boosting Jelly. I'm actually going to be putting that in section by section just to make sure that each section gets a nice hold. And this is where I failed. I took way too big of a section for this whole side of my head for each of the perm rods, and that is why they did not come out as defined and moisturized and shiny as the other side of my head did. But basically, if I would have taken this in smaller sections, it would have turned out really nice like the other side of my head did. But I basically just make sure the ends are flat around the perm rod and just roll them up a little bit. I know this is kind of off camera. And then I kind of do this like corkscrew type roll of the perm rod until it is taut on my head, if that makes sense. So that, because we want the roots to be stretched out as well, we don't want them to be puffy, which was a mistake that I made. So I went ahead and did the rest of my head off of camera, but I wanted to show you guys that my technique is basically the same for the side that actually turned out good. I just took smaller sections. So if you make sure that you roll up the ends and then do the corkscrew method and then make sure it's nice and taut at the root, it should turn out good. As far as sleeping, I like to put my scarf on first and then my bonnet over top, and I just slept in this overnight. When going to take this down, you want to make sure that it is dry. Please don't take it out unless it's dry. I did that in the past and it didn't go very well. My hair was completely dry, I made sure of that. And I'm just taking them down the same way that I put them in, just unrolling them just how I put them in. I put a little bit of olive oil on my hands for added shine, and that is it. So I just take them down, and this is what I'm left with. And now on to separating. This is where I could tell I just did sections that were way too big for the perm rods that I have, because when I'm trying to separate them, they are literally just turning into complete frizz. And it just doesn't look very good. Now, the old me would have been so upset when I saw those results, and I would have just brushed it all out and been upset and ruined it. But when I took down that other side, I realized how good it looked, and I was like, you know what? I can save this. So I just decided to use some of my jumbo bobby pins to pin up that side and kind of do that exposed bobby pin look that I've always tried to do but never seemed to work out. But I think it looks super cute here. Overall, I think the ORS products did a great job with this style, and hopefully next time I can just get it for both sides.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!